One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. Today I'm at my ranch, and we're actually on the way to Helena. We're on the way back, and went to a big auction over there. And I'm going to throw that video up in the morning. But in the meanwhile, this is the ranch. I've done a walk around of it. There's walking breeder and such, and she just climbed the big hill. But this video is about the inside of a Goldshell miner. Make sure and check my other videos at the car lot and stuff. I've got lots of cars, lots of different things on my channel. And I got all kinds of cars for sale. So make sure and check my website, oneownercarguy.com. There's all kinds of classics. That one's coming through just good. I got all kinds of pickup trucks. I got more pickup trucks coming. All kinds of content on cars. All kinds of cool stuff. But I've been doing a lot of mining in the last year and a half or so. And this is about the inside. I had to take one apart. I got it from China and Goldshell, and two of them were imperfect, broken, whatever you want to say. One of them I think is due to shipping. It got bashed around or something, but check it out. It's just a video showing the inside of a Goldshell miner. Here we go. And a large part of this video was made on Ray-Ban Stories, so it's a smaller format. Let me know what you think of that. Got the mining rack going and mining machines here and in there and everywhere. I got two library miners, and hang on. I got two library miners. This one here has a problem, and that one there has a problem. I've got 6 more in there, and then I've got a KD5 other stuff, but this one has a wire pinched in there, and the whole casing is held away. This one just rattles. I thought they used to have something to protect them, to where you couldn't take them apart, but I guess not. So, I'm taking it apart. And I'll tell you what, I don't know what's loose in there, but it's pretty loose. Okay. God dang, I don't know what it is. Okay, so got the other side off, and I'm going to take this side off now. Okay, that's it. Found it. Awesome. That is what was it. So I know that that is what the inside of a Goldshell library miner works with. Not a very big miner. Alright, so once I got her open, this right here is what was rattling loose, and I couldn't see it until I took the board out, but I think it's just a heatsink type thing on top of there. I'll tell you what, whatever kind of thermal paste they're using, it ain't very strong, and I don't know, man. But whatever, it's not a very big deal. I obviously like Goldshell, but yeah, gotta get this thing fixed. It's not even a very profitable miner right now, but I'm mining for coins in the long term. I figure mine when it gets slow, and mine till it gets fast again. Some kind of a board to put the internet to it, what have you. Another heatsink of sort on this side, probably covering up a chip or something, I don't know. But that is the insides of a Goldshell miner. This one is specifically like this one, a library. And this one, I don't like how they pinch some wires. I don't know what they're going to say about that. All these were fine. I got 4 more in the other room, and KD5 and everything else, good stuff. But these two had a problem. Only the library algorithm. But I don't know. That's that. That's the inside of a Goldshell miner. If you haven't seen one, well, there you go. Well, that was it. Etc., etc., etc. Lottie-dee, lottie-do, lottie-da. Make sure and check my other videos. Lots of cool cars and different things on here. Good mining content, stocks, all kinds of stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you.